Welcome to Back Into Fishing, and another, possibly last, Monday at the Soccerplex. I'm a little surprised by the weather today, but I'll go over that in a minute. Let's grab the rods. I'm already baited up. Head down here to the dock, get a line in the water. Well, just like last week, the fountain's on. I really don't like the noise it makes, but hey, I've said that before. Let's get the thermometer in the water here and see what we got for the water temperature. Might be surprised by that. What I am surprised at, which I mentioned in the opening there a bit ago, is temperature was 37 degrees when I got up this morning. I'm getting a late start today. It's almost 10 o'clock. The temperature is now up to almost 60. Now I'm surprised. I'm not going to get very many more days like that. So while I wait for the water temperature, let's get a cast in the water. Not sure you can see it. Water temperature 46.2. That's down, what, 6 degrees, something like that, since I was here last week. I'm going to start the day off, as I usually do, with the good old yum dinger, fish Wacky style. Got a cheddar bait tied on, and a Palomino. Hoping between these three baits, we can hook up with something today. Once again, I threw everything but the kitchen sink. Was not able to get a single bite. Couldn't even get a bluegill to bite. Definitely time to move on. Try one of these other spots. Four-inch bluegill. At least I'm not skunked on today. Well, it's a little bit afternoon. I've been here not quite 2 hours. I still don't have a single bass bite. All I got to show for the day so far was that one little bluegill, and that was almost an hour ago. We're going to keep plugging away. I'm about a quarter of a way around the lake, the good quarter, where most of the spots are. A few more to go. We'll keep trying them. Other side from the dock now. Keeping the baits in the water, still not a bite. I've probably been here 5 minutes. Give it another 5-10. Try something else. Move on. Well, down to my last spot, or two spots if you will. If I don't catch anything down here, I'll be back in the truck pretty soon. There's somebody down fishing on the dock, so I doubt very much I'll be going back there. Just hope for the best. There's something. Barely just hooked inside the mouth. Nice bass, probably about 14 inches. Pretty dirty, but I didn't want to go out and walk in the mud. Yep, good one. He's just dirty on that side. Alright, let's get him back. I was literally going to go one or two more casts and head out. And I think I still am. Another Soccerplex Monday in the books. Now, I know I said it before that I wasn't going to come back here again this year, and I was going to say that again in this video until I caught that fish. Now, if I'd have left 2 minutes earlier, I would not have caught that fish, but I did, so I'm undecided at this time. Keep an eye out for a new video here. There may be one. So until the next video, wherever it comes from, thanks for watching, and I will see you next time.